أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لا يغرنك تقلب الذين كفروا في البلاد متاع قليل ثم مأواهم جهنم وَبِئْسَ الْمِهَادُ. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I recited Surah al-Imran, Ayat number 196 and 197. In these ayat, Allah tells us that you are not to follow those people who are spending their life in luxuries. Those kuffar, if they are getting prosperity, good business, good trade, if their lifestyle is more attractive, leave them. That is deceptive. You try to be as simple as possible, because your enjoyment, your luxury, your comfort is hidden in paradise, and there is forever life, and life of this world is just for the time being. So for those people who are non-Muslims, if they are spending their life in luxuries, so that is for the time being. But this life on the world is a little. But the life hereafter is forever. And forever life for them is in the hellfire, but for you in the paradise. This way you must be careful. Don't be deceived from those people. So you don't be deceived from those people after watching them, after looking them, after knowing their condition of life, their way of life, their lifestyle. So that should not penetrate in you. That should not come in you. So be careful and be away from them. So you be like a simple person. Inshallah, Allah will give you more reward in this world also, but the world hereafter is rewardful for you. We read this one, the first ayat, al-Imran, 196 number ayat. So Allah said, La yaghurrannaka. So let not deceive you, taqallubu, the movement, allazina kafaru, of those people who disbelieved, fil bilad, in the cities or on the surface of the earth. In the cities, the movement of those people, the prosperity of those people, the lifestyle of those people, the custom tradition of those people, the fashion and other show off of those people should not impress you positively. So you must understand that for you all types of luxuries and comfort are hidden in the paradise. So this life is for them beautiful, because Prophet ﷺ said that this world is prison for believer, but this world is also paradise for non-believer also. So this way you must be loyal to Allah, you must be faithful to Allah, so you must obey what Allah and the Prophet ﷺ they want. So this is the way of success only. And you don't be impressed from those people and their prosperity, their technological progress, their lifestyle, their show off, and their enjoyment, and the slogan that enjoy your life. So that is just for this world, and this world is finishing any time. So this way you must understand that the life in this world is temporary, is just it will finish very quickly, but the life hereafter is forever, you will enjoy there. So this way Allah is telling us this one. So very important because this world is finishing any time. And Abu Huraira radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he said that Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that you are not allowed to follow that person who is sinful and enjoying the life. So that person's life is just for that world, and you are not to follow that one. So this way the Muslim person must understand that the life of this world is not comfortable, not luxurious for him, but it is just a test and trial. And it whatever you will do here, you will get there. Ad-dunya mazra'atul akhirah. So this world, whatever you will do, you will get in exchange of it there in the world hereafter. So this way, as you sow, so shall you reap. So keep in mind that this world is just for you to grow good deeds with the water of Iman. And inshallah, then you will cut the crop, harvest it at the day of judgment, where you will get the fruit of it in the form of paradise, and so many blessings of Allah in the paradise are waiting for you. So keep in mind that a person who wants luxury life, who wants comfort life, who wants life with everything available for that person, and want to enjoy life, like the slogan of the kuffar, enjoy your life. So a person who try to do that one, if follow that one, what will happen to that person? If that person is Muslim, so falling in luxury life, comfort life, enjoying everything, and making him or her busy in that so much, that person will not have any time to pray 5 times a day, and then the person will not be in a position to fulfill the compulsory act of Islam and to fulfill the essential act of Islam, and the person will not be able to fulfill the Sunnah act of Islam. So optional acts are away from him. So this world, busy in this world in enjoyment, makes a person away from Allah. The person will forget Allah. Then Allah will forget us at the day of judgment also if we forget Allah here. Very important messages for us. Because when a person is fully involved in this world completely, then what happens? All the manners and discipline and codes of practice of Islam, those are gone away from the person. The person is not to approach those one. Because the person's mind is to follow the lifestyle of kuffar. So when a person follows the lifestyle of kuffar, automatically lifestyle of Islam goes away from that person. So this way, keep in mind that this life in this world is very short, very small, a little. Mata'un qaleel. Allah said in this ayat number 197, Mata'un qaleel. Mata'un is little bit. Qaleel, just little bit things which are enough for this world. Because one hadith that is in Muslim, and Holy Prophet ﷺ said, if a person who can dip his finger in the sea, how much water comes with the finger? That is the risk which is spread up in this world. And the risk behind that is in the form of the sea, that is that risk which is lying in paradise waiting for you. Why are you struggling for this one which is coming with your finger? How much is that one? When you dip this one in the sea and take it out, how much water stick with your finger? So this is the risk. For this risk, people, they are struggling and busy in battles and wars, and so many things are happening here. But the risk which is down is in the sea, in the form of sea. So much that is lying in the paradise waiting for you. You are not struggling for that. So must understand so that the life hereafter is more better than the life of this world. Because these people who are making their life this one better, so whatever they do, the good deeds, they will get the reward of good deeds here. And at the day of judgment, they will get the hellfire only. Because Allah said, Summa mawahum jahannam. And for them, there is the place in the hell. Wabisal mihad, and that is the worst resting place. Mata'un qaleel. So this is Surah al-Imran Ayat number 197. Mata'un qaleel, and the lifestyle, like life in this world, is very short, and with a little bit resources, like little bit things in this world, whatever you see. But summa mawahum jahannam, and for them, for kuffar, the forever abode is in the hell. Abis al-mihad, and that is the worst resting place for them. Holy Prophet ﷺ said one hadith that is revealed by Anas bin Malik radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, and this hadith is in Sahih Muslim 2808 number. And Holy Prophet ﷺ said, Allah don't oppress on the believer, and Allah gave away the reward to the believer in this world, but the full reward to the believer will be given at the day of judgment. And whatever the good deeds are done by kuffar, Allah gave the reward of the kuffar in this world fully and completely. And for them, there is no reward for any good deed at the day of judgment. Summa mawahum jahannam, and their reward is hellfire. Wabis al-mihad, and they will stay there forever. So this is the reward for those people who are non-Muslim. So who are mushrikeen, kuffar, Yahudu, Nasara, and all those people who are non-Muslim, their reward is forever in the hell. They have to stay. Babis al-mihad, and it is the worst resting place for them. So this way Allah warns us. This is like a warning that we should not follow the lifestyle of kuffar. We should not follow the custom and traditions of kuffar. We should not follow the fashions of those people, but we have to love lifestyle of Islam and fashions and traditions and customs, all which our Islam give permission. We have to follow that one so that we should be successful in this world and the world hereafter. Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.